Do you want to make a Boomerang video on Instagram Story? You can add Boomerang to Instagram Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a Boomerang video on an Instagram Story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, swipe right from your feed to open the Story camera. On the right side of the screen, you will see different options. Among these, find and select Boomerang. Now, tap and hold the capture button to record your Boomerang video. Instagram will automatically create a short looping video that plays forward and backward. Once the Boomerang is recorded, change settings by tapping on the Boomerang icon at the top of the screen. Now, you can add text, stickers, music, or filters to customize your story. After editing, tap on your story at the bottom of the screen to share it. Your Boomerang video will now be posted as your Instagram story.